Hello, Skeeter Nation. This is Mr. Johnson.
And Mr. Poole, and welcome to the first of a series of videos to help students and parents understand the big ideas that will be covered in U.S. history.
Our year is divided into 12 eras, and today we'll focus on the first time period, which we call the Gilded Age.
There'll be 3 videos in this sub-series, the first of which will focus on Americans moving westward. What we're talking about is a result of manifest destiny. We'll be analyzing economic and political issues that were related to westward expansion. So in other words, why did we go and what impact did this have on the people who were already there? Some key concepts to know will be the growth of railroads, the cattle boom, the closing of the frontier due to the Homestead Act, and attempts to assimilate native populations.
Let's look at how it's been tested previously. Dawes Act shows up on the star often. Here is a straightforward question involving this concept. One strategy we focus on in class is connecting key words. There are 3 key words for this concept: Dawes Act, assimilation, and Native Americans. If we connect all 3, it leads us to the correct answer, which is A. Here is an example that is slightly more complex. It incorporates an excerpt from a historical article as the basis for the question. Though this looks more intimidating, if we still focus on key words as strategy, we can find ourselves the right answer. In this stimulus, we see homesteader, 160 acres, and farm for 5 years. As we learn in class, the Homestead Act provided 160 acres of free land for those who would farm and improve upon it for at least 5 years. Another test-taking strategy students learn is to eliminate answers to identify phrases that make the answer incorrect. For example, answer choice A, a peaceful resolution between Americans and native population. We learn in class this was never peaceful. In answer choice C, students will learn that the key characteristics of the Gilded Age was a lack of government regulation, making C, federal regulation for agriculture, incorrect. Answer choice D reads, a decline in immigration to urban areas. In class, we will learn that the Gilded Age is a time of increased immigration to cities or urban areas, rendering D incorrect, leaving us with only one remaining answer, which is B. The answer choice refers to agricultural communities, which is another way to refer to farms.
In the next video, we'll focus on the impact of industrialization in the Gilded Age. Stay tuned for more U.S. history, and if you'd like to more info about these concepts, look for the video links in the description below.